If you're wondering how to use Vendasta for lead nurturing, you're in the right place. In this quick Vendasta explanation, I'll break down how to take full advantage of its features to keep your leads engaged and ready to convert. First off, Vendasta offers a suite of tools that streamline your lead nurturing process. One of its key features is the CRM, where you can track interactions with potential clients, organize leads, and build out an effective nurturing sequence. This helps you stay on top of all your leads without losing track. Next, the platform lets you create automated email campaigns that are perfect for lead nurturing. You can set up personalized email workflows, ensuring that your leads receive timely, relevant information that pushes them further down the sales funnel. Automated emails can be sent based on the lead's interactions, like when they sign up for your newsletter or engage with a piece of content. The third thing Vendasta allows you to do is build dynamic landing pages. With customizable templates, you can create landing pages tailored to specific segments of your audience. This helps ensure that you're delivering the right message to the right people, which is crucial when nurturing leads and keeping them interested in your product or service. Another key feature of Vendasta is its integration with a variety of marketing tools. You can easily sync your leads across different platforms, ensuring that your nurturing efforts are cohesive and effective. Whether you're using email, social media, or paid ads, Vendasta allows you to maintain a unified strategy for lead engagement. As you continue to nurture your leads, Vendasta's analytics dashboard provides valuable insights. You'll be able to track how your campaigns are performing, monitor lead activity, and adjust your strategies accordingly. This data-driven approach ensures that you're always optimizing your lead nurturing efforts for maximum impact. Finally, the platform offers customizable reporting features. This allows you to generate reports that highlight key metrics like lead conversion rates, engagement levels, and more. You can use these insights to further refine your nurturing strategies and close more deals. As promised, you can use Vendasta completely free from the first link below, and we've got exclusive bonuses for you to help you get started. Don't forget to take advantage of this extended free trial. It's a perfect opportunity to see how Vendasta can streamline your lead nurturing process and boost your sales. By the way, if you're serious about optimizing your lead nurturing, using the tools Vendasta provides will save you time and deliver more results, so don't miss out.